Okay, so this is our dehumidifier. I think it's very easy to use. Can you help me?
Yeah, because
okay.
it's a new one.
Yes, a new one. So this is ARGO dehumidifier. Okay. So we have here a on-off button. Let's start it on. First, okay, push this button.
Okay, just gonna
push
it.
Okay, let's see first the display. It's indicate the humidity from this room. You can set from that button plus and minus the humidity which we want.
Yeah,
Put it to 50, please. So 50, 50, not okay. One more, one again. This is 55. So 50, it's okay. 50. So what we have here? We have the timer. So you can set the time to 2 hours, 4 hours,
3 hours,
or unlimited hours. Okay. What we have here? We have a fan speed. So we have high and low. Let's see the low.
Look, this is
Push.
the low.
Yes. Push one time.
Low.
This is low. Push one more time. This is high. So we have two positions to fan speed. Okay. Okay. What we have over here?
We have just wheels.
It has wheels. Let's show me, please. Okay. Let's see.
Let's see how works the wheels because like this and this.
Oh,
and look.
it's easy, smooth and easy. Yes.
Here's
You can hold it from there. Okay. Handle. Okay. Okay. Let's turn it. So what we have in the back? This is air filter. Use both hands.
Use both hands.
Stop. First we have to stop it now. Okay.
Pull it out.
Okay.
Put it back.
Put it back. Okay. It's easy. Nice and easy. Okay. Okay. And here in the front, on the bottom, we have the water tank.
Yeah, because here's the water tank because look. This is
empty. Now it's empty, no?
Yeah, it's empty because it don't have water.
Okay. So we have to turn it on, and maybe we'll see some water after a few hours. Okay. Push the on button, please. Okay. Yeah. Good.
And then it's working. On this side, it's not working. But on this side, it's working.
It's easy to use, no?
Yeah, it's easy because here it's like cool new.
When the water tank will be full, this this light will turn on, and
in 2 hours it's gonna be
back at full. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's gonna be cool.
What we have continuous.
It's just cool.
Light here.
Yeah, because
when we put the humidity to unlimited, so this humidifier will goes on and on, huh?
Yeah,
and this light continuous is.
But this one is new. This one is very new.
Yeah.
Not now. We just buy it.
Okay.
Another day, but it's like new.
Thank you for this presentation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.